Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back to another video. If this is your first video on my channel, please be sure to subscribe. Hit that little red button right down below, smash that like button, and definitely leave a comment. All returning subscribers, thank you so much for, sticking it through, following the journey, and just for the general love and appreciation. So guys, as you can see, I'm outside again. Beautiful Grande Prairie, Alberta is where I'm at. And I'm just waiting on a few friends who are supposed to be going for a walk. And that is what this video is all about. So the persons who I'm waiting on is actually some Jamaicans who you guys have met before. They recently came here in January when they just landed. I did a video with them to find out what was their first impression of Canada, what was their first impression of Grande Prairie, and all of those lovely stuff. If you haven't seen that video yet, by the way, go and check it out. The link will be in the description below. Give that a watch. All right, today's video is just an update, guys. Today's video is just an update. I'm linking up with them to find out what is the journey like so far. How are they liking it? Has anything changed since then and now? And just generally, how has it been going for them and their family? And any advice that they would have to share with you guys. All right, if you like this content, guys, as I said, smash a big like on this video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys. Yeah, look who they are, people. Shadi, Yeah, deal, bro.
They are going to take it easy, brother.
Yeah, man. See, I know I'm going to know people more know, 6 months now, there, almost 5 months, going 6 months. People wants to know, man, like, how is it going?
A day at a time.
A day at a time.
Yeah.
So the last time I talked to you and Simone. By the way, if you guys wondering where Simone had a long day today at work, so Simone are going easy, So Shadi and they are going to represent. The last time I talked to you guys just pretty much landed, I think, a couple of days. That was the first impression. But now you guys been here like 5 months, going 6 months now. What has the experience been like? Unfiltered.
Unfiltered. Pretty much experience is still it's still good. We have a few moments here and there, but nothing to write home about.
Nothing to write home about.
Yeah, its experience is still good. Everything is still good.
So transitioning. I always say that when I move to a new country, the transition period is usually the most difficult period. And depends on how prepared you are or how willing to work you are, the transition can last long or can last short. Right? What was that period like for you and your family?
Transition was rough, but we're kind of prepared for it, so it wasn't all that too harsh on us.
Okay.
But it was still rough. So I can just imagine for persons who weren't prepared for that fully, what it would be like for them. So yeah, but the longer we are here, the easier things seem to get. Easier it seems to get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what was the hardest thing about the transitioning? Like
finding that first job.
finding that first job.
Finding that first job.
Share more about that, man, cause people wants to know, like, want to make this move, and there are most times people are scared about are they gonna be able to find a job and stuff like that. Of course, we don't say it in a beautiful Grande Prairie. As you guys can see, the grass is green again. Sun is out, bikers are out, Shadi and have any shades. You know the thing. But what advice would you want to give, or would you give to somebody who come, and what steps can they take to find that first job?
Check out all of those job sites, Indeed, Canadian Job Bank, all of them, Glassdoor, and just apply. Because you never know who will call you to give you a shot, or you just apply, whether it be something you want to do or what. But just for the time being, just apply
Yeah.
and work with the flow.
Earning that first Canadian paycheck is a
And
big deal.
Experience, yeah.
Yeah, that is vital, because I don't know, Canada expensive, people.
Tell them.
And we not just said that, Canada is very expensive, but you know why? Even though it's expensive, the quality of life, guys, see that it's worth it. And we're not just talking about the beauty of the environment either. We're talking about the quality of life, right? If you're here, you understand what I mean. When I say quality of life, just the ability to can go for a walk, or the ability to can go to your bed and not have to worry about nothing too tough.
Stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, being here for 5 months, so Miss Jamaica yet?
This is my food.
Food.
Yeah. Brother, all I go to Jamaica now. That's my family.
Yeah.
But do I go to Jamaica? No.
No. Would you see yourself leaving Canada for go back to Jamaica?
Yeah, for a visit.
Yeah.
Be honest.
Just for a visit.
Brother, without Jamaica
Mm-hmm.
as much as we're not there at Jamaica, we see all of the information, get every news, same
Yeah.
way, even get the news before some other person them who live in Jamaica.
100%.
Yeah, so. Yeah.
So in case you guys haven't watched that first video when I did with Shadi and Simone and Ailey, they have a beautiful daughter. 5-year-old Ailey, supposed to be 6 in another few weeks from now. Came, got into school, integrated into school. What has that process been like?
Good. 'Cause, she used to cry the first few times, and then no. She not even want to tell me goodbye. She just walk on.
Walk on. I always say, guys, if you're moving to Canada and you want somewhere to go, consider towns like Grande, Prairie, because you know what? It is a town that's full of potential, and it's a town that's going to reward you as much as you need to be rewarded. In terms of putting in work, you get in the pay. And that's the thing there, you understand? Because Shadeen and her family been here 5 months now, but I'm sure so the integration made them feel like them there 1 year now. Because that's how we felt when we just came. We felt like, okay, just because we are out there and, we're hustling the bustle, and you feel like you're there for longer than the time. You understand? So that's a good thing. Apart from missing the food, you don't really get homesick, because just the quality of life. The quality of life is undescribable. You have to just be here to experience it, to kind of understand what exactly we're on about. And the fact of the matter is, just away from the hustle and the bustle. You can breathe, take in some fresh air, go for a walk, and stuff like that. Nobody not can rob you.
I understand. Free where that is concerned.
I've been in Canada like 3 years now, and I haven't heard a single gunshot since I've been here. Not unless I go on one range or something like that. And coming from Jamaica, where those things are like prevalent and stuff like that, the quality of life is just unexplainable. So if it is that you are watching this video and you're in your home country and you're wondering if it's a wise decision to leave to come to a new country to start over, I'd absolutely say do it. Because, well, then again, it depends on the situation that you're in. But if you're in any similar situation that what we are in, we'd say definitely do it, because it's the best decision that you can do for you and your family long term. Might start out rocky at first. Finding that first job is probably a challenge, but once you pass that barrier, once you get through that barrier, then it's definitely worth it. And what's to note is, which is why I always say the first 3 months is when you have to be the most aggressive you have ever been in your entire life. You are pushing non-stop just to get that right opportunity, and then everything will start level off. The longer you are here, the easier it becomes. You understand? As I said, Canada is not perfect. You might not be able to buy everything you want, but guaranteed you're not going to be hungry. That is the thing. That is the facts. So you want to keep that in mind. You understand? So I just want to bless up to Shadeen, and bless up to Simone as well. And stuff like that. So smash a like on the video if you guys like the transition that they have made. And also if you guys are just proud of the moves that they have made. And by the way, Shadeen shut up in first semester, by the way. Yeah, Shadeen shut up in first semester. And to him second semester, which you're in right now.
Doing right.
So how is school? I didn't even ask you that. How is school?
School is school. Then we feet done.
Yeah, man.
Stressful.
Stressful. So people always have a misconception that school in Jamaica is harder than school in Canada. I say that's rubbish, you know. What do you say?
Alright, school all over is the same thing to me, brother. Stressful.
Yeah. But once you put your mind to it, guys, I know why you are here. You can achieve it and you will achieve it. That is the thing. Just stick to the end goal. Anyways, guys, that's enough talking. Smash a like on the video. Big up on yourself. See you guys in the next shot.
Boom.
Big up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. You know what? I really and truly appreciate it. And you know what? If you've made it this far in the video, guys, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. We have a goal to reach at least 10,000 subscribers for 2022. We're almost halfway, guys, but we cannot do it without you guys. We need you guys to just subscribe to the channel, share the channel so other persons can see this content, and also just interact with us. Come into the comment section, check us out on Instagram. DiAndersons Originals is our name. We have been here for a few years now. Our experience has been great, has been wonderful, and you know what, we share it undiluted, unfiltered, so you guys can have a real and, you know, authentic impression of what migrating to Canada is really like. If you know someone who's interested to migrate to Canada, I would tell you guys to absolutely go for it. Encourage them to go for it, because you know what, it's a life-changing decision. It can be a nerve-wracking decision, but if it's done in the right way, it can absolutely change your life, change the life of your family, and really and truly put you into a much better position that you would have ever imagined. So I would definitely tell you guys to go for it. It starts in the mind, and it starts in the mind. Having the right mindset is key. The right mindset determines, or it will determine how quickly you transition and how far you will go. All right, you have to come with the intention to know that you have to work, you have to hustle, and you have to work probably 10 times harder than anyone else. Right, that's just the truth. That's just how it is. It's a beautiful country, but it's not easy. Don't let anyone tell you that it's easy, because it's not. But with the right mindset, you can definitely achieve all the goals that you want to achieve in the near and long-term future. You understand? Share the channel, guys. Share the channel so other persons can see this content, and so that other persons can subscribe to the channel as well. Understand? I just want to say, yo, big up to Shadian and Simone. They have made the transition, and you know what? I'm so proud of them. They're definitely making the best of it. They are making the most of it, and I'm so happy to not only have met them, but to be able to become friends with them. And I feel as if I've known them for a long time, even though we recently just met. I'm just so happy and proud of them. All right, guys. Simone, she is doing awesome. She got a good job. She is now in a manager's position. That's awesome. Apologies, guys, I'm actually outside and it's summertime now, so you don't know, the mosquitoes are out. So I'm really proud of Simone, but it wasn't always like that, guys. It started rocky. Finding that first job was a challenge. I remember driving around with them for probably 2 weeks. I'm just dropping off resumes everywhere, just trying to get them that first job, just out and about. And you know what, it was challenging, but it was absolutely worth it. Shadian, as you guys know, is a full-time student and a student permit. And you know what, he passed all his subjects, and that's awesome. Looking forward to the next semester that he's currently enrolled in, and they're just doing big things. They're just doing big things, big things. If you are proud of them, as I said, just smash a like on the video. Don't hesitate to leave a comment. If you guys have any questions about Grande Prairie, if you guys have any questions about just the transition, the experience, or just anything in general, just leave a comment and let me know. We always try our best to reply to all comments. We might not be able to answer to all, but we try our best. So don't hesitate to reach out. All right, guys. In closing, as I said, just subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Help us to reach 10,000 subscribers for 2022. All right, guys. Interesting thing to note, my birthday is 1 week away, guys. My birthday is 1 week away. If you guys want to show some love, we do have a GoFundMe link down in the description right down below. Show some love, man. Show some love. If you guys appreciate the content, if you guys appreciate the channel, if you guys appreciate the substance and anything that you get right here, just show some love right there, so you know. Or just show some love by sharing the content, sharing the channel, sharing 2 videos. You understand? anything that is possible, anything that can help us out in any small way, we do appreciate it. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video all the way to the end, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.